Tacoma Power is offering up to $600 in bill credits for installing a Level 2 electrical vehicle charger at your home. The utility is looking for customers who have electric vehicles and want to upgrade from a Level 1 charging to a Level 2 charging. There are several offers, each saving customers hundreds on the cost to purchase and install a Level 2 charger. There's even a credit for smart splitters. That can make a clothes dryer outlet work for both the appliance and your car.
We understand that customers have different circumstances. Some own their homes, some rent, some have space in their electric panel to install a new circuit, and some customers really need to figure out a way to use what's already there. So this program was really set up to meet customer needs where they're at.
Tacoma Power says this program is part of their commitment to a cleaner energy future, adding that providing customers with cost-effective solutions to make the transition to powering vehicles with clean, renewable hydroelectric energy is one way they can help. Go to mytpu.org/EVAtHome for more information.